Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make Morningstar grounded. First, ensure your grounded is thawed if it was frozen. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the thawed grounded directly to the pan. This simple start sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's talk about seasoning. For a basic flavor, add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt per serving. You can also include a pinch of black pepper and some garlic powder to enhance the taste. Feel free to stir in other herbs, such as oregano or basil, to match your meal's profile. This step is crucial for a flavorful dish. To cook, continue stirring the grounded in the skillet for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want it to be heated through and perhaps slightly browned for texture. If you're short on time, you can also microwave it. Simply heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring halfway through until it's thoroughly hot. Both methods yield great results. Once cooked, your Morningstar grounded is ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try using it in tacos, burritos, or as a base for your favorite pasta sauce. It also works wonderfully mixed into chili or a hearty shepherd's pie. Don't forget to add toppings like cheese, salsa, or fresh cilantro for an extra burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.